Hey guys, how's it going? Zuma here. And today I found something that I wanted to cover in a video. As you've seen this in Web 2 quite successfully, I thought the Web 3 version might be interesting to some of you. It's called Chappyz, and it's a way to reward genuine engagement. We're imagining how digital communities are managed, AI-driven community engagement and an analytics platform for Web 3. You have seen School, SKOOL, right now being more and more popular for almost every single creator. They're building that, growing that day by day. And with more people joining online communities and, private communities when it comes to crypto, private groups, signal groups on Telegram, this fits right in there, but has the Web3 and AI-driven narrative and a token behind that which can be staked. For example, over here, we can see over 100 million tokens are staked, or at about $200,000 in different pools that are available. And I thought, I'll show you what it's about, because maybe you like it too, maybe you can check it out. It's just something that I think is pretty interesting, that has a real use case. It's an AI-powered plug-and-play protocol that helps build real community engagement and growth, but through running community members in real time. There's chat and earn, it's for the stake and earn. If you click on chat and earn, you'll be sent over to the D-Ad with almost 20,000 members so far in the different communities that they have. Engaged and earned instantly, that's what they say. For example, there are a couple campaigns over here. For example, mid a free child, qualify for the load airdrop, can use the key. You would click on that, or you can see the task that they have available, in this case only one single one, how the rewards worked. Rewards available only until all have been claimed. The network is on the Binance Smart Chain. There the reward pool of $950 with 57 cents in the remaining, so almost all of it is taken. But you can see, for example, chat and earn member group, and you get rewarded for that, and Chappyz as well as use the key. And those type of rewards that you know from like Zeally and Galaxy and other sites that offer similar campaigns are available on here. For example, there is the Evan token, for which you can like or interact with the post over here, and then get rewarded in points. Now, the price of Chappyz is still at around $3 million in market cap, with an all-time high earlier this year of around $15 to $20 million, I would assume. And because everything in crypto comes in waves, the next time anything community-focused is typed, this will definitely go back to its all-time high, if not further. Let's say, for example, you have your own campaign or something that you would like to create. You can start building your campaign with that, take the lead, shape a campaign, make a lasting impact, and earn rewarding experiences. Start building that your way, your roads, your impact, and all you need for that is your wallet and connect to the site. With their V3 version, they also feature a brand new AI engine and a new protocol called Community Pulse. And I think long-term, if there's any platform that's just this whole community thing, but instead of just Web2 focused, we have it Web3 focused, this could be one that stays long-term. More often than not, popular growth strategies like airdrops or service-level crest campaigns attract zero-intent users, bots, and speculative positions. All people who have like a million wallets set up, send the transactions all automatically, and then just farm points like that. So they want to have real communities, real people that engaged, and that's where Chappyz comes in. And I encourage you to read this entire article on Medium. As you can see, there is quite a lot to it. Whenever it comes to projects, we mainly look at the price and see, okay, token was here. It went up by a lot, everybody's happy, token goes down, where's that? Is it that? No. Keep in mind, they built this entire project in this region over here that isn't even shown. They built this before there was a token. Now there is a token, so there's a certain price attached to it. They have more marketing budget, and then they keep on building in this time frame. And as everything comes in waves, the next time Bitcoin hits 70, 80, 90K, everything that is AI-focused and in a certain niche and narrative will do a big multiplier. Now you know it's not financial advice. I'm just giving you my way of thinking when it comes to coins like that. While you can get the token or participate on the side, this is simply a video so you can check it out yourself and see if you like the idea. Maybe it's useful for some of you guys who have their own project. Nothing is being sold today, just something cool that I found some time ago. That being said, I'll see you guys very soon with more videos. And until then, bye guys.